Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. Today we will solve exercise 2.3. Okay? So now, children, the question here is you have to subtract. Okay? So, children, what will you do? You will subtract. This is your question. There are 6 questions as you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? So, we will start solving it one by one. Okay, children? Now, see, the first question has been solved here. See, children, how will you solve? You have written the question here. This is the question. The question is you have to subtract 2,18,375 from 5,03,481. Okay, children? Yes. Now, so how will you write? First, you will write all the numbers. Yes. The bigger number you will write first and the smaller number you will write it second. Okay. Now, see, how will you solve this? See, children, first you will write the number, that is 5, 0, 3, 4, 8 and 1. This is your first number. Then you have to subtract the number from 5. Then you have 7. Wait, I'll just write it again. The number is 5, 0, 3, 4, 8, 1. Okay, you have to subtract which number, then you will write again one below the other. बेटा आपको हमेशा याद रखना है कि आपको आपका नंबर एक नंबर के नीचे ही होना चाहिए. So 7, then you have 3, then 8, 1 and 2. Okay, and you have to subtract it. Yes. So I have to subtract this number. So children, what will I do? I will now subtract. But if you see here, children, अगर आप यहाँ देखें तो 1 is a smaller number. 1 जो है छोटा नंबर है 5 से. You cannot subtract 5 from 1. What will you do? You will carry. तो हम ये जो 8 है 7 से बड़ा है. What will you do? You will just cancel it, write it 7 and you will carry here 1. So this becomes 11. 11 minus 5 will give you 6. Yes, children? Yes. Then what will you do? 7 and 7. 7 minus 7 will give you 0. Yes. So this is 0. Then you have 4 minus 3 will give you 1. Yes, children? Yes. But now if you see 3 is a smaller number and 8 is a bigger number. Now what will you do, children? You will borrow. Okay, जैसे हम क्लास 4 में करते थे, जैसे आप प्रीवियस क्लास में करते थे, the same way you will do it. Now what will you do, children? You will borrow the numbers. Now how will you borrow, children? 0 you cannot borrow. What will you do? You will borrow from 5. So you will write here 4. Then you will write here 10. Again this. And 13. So 13 minus 8 will give you how much? Subtract, children. That will give you 5. So I have written here 5. Then 9 minus 1 will give you 8. And 4 minus 2 will give you 2. So this is your answer. Your answer is 2,85,106. Okay. Again, children, we'll just take a quick recap. हमने क्या क्या किया? First we had written our numbers. Yes, हमने ये number लिखा. Then ये दूसरा number लिखा. Then we subtracted it. Okay. So here 1 is smaller than 5, so हमने क्या किया, 8 से बोरो किया था. बोरोइंग नेक्स्ट नंबर से जो प्रीवियस नंबर है या जो लेफ्ट नंबर है, लेफ्ट मोस्ट नंबर, उससे हमने बोरो किया. ओके, सो हमने 8 से बोरो किया, उससे 7 किया, एंड देन वी हैव कैरीड हियर 1, तो टेंस के प्लेस से वो वहाँ पे 10 चला गया. यस और नो? सो देन 11 minus 5 will give you 6. Then 7 minus 7 will give you 0. Then 4 minus 3 will give you 1. Then children, you have 3. Now you cannot subtract 8 from 3. Yes or no, children? Yes. So what will you do, children? You will again carry. You cannot borrow from 0, क्योंकि 0 के पास as it is कोई नंबर नहीं है. तो हम किससे borrow करेंगे? The next number. Next number कौन सा है? 5. Yes, see, look here. 5, तो हमने 5 से borrow किया 1, यहाँ आ गया 10, and then again उसे माइनस करके 9, and then you have given this much. Okay, so this is how आपने बोरो करके आपने आंसर ले लिया. 13 minus 8 will give you 5, then 9 minus 1 will give you 8, and then 4 minus 2 will give you 2. So this is your answer. Okay children, I hope this is clear. Now you can pause your video and you can look here. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, see, this is the question number 1 where you have subtracted it and you have written the answer. Okay children. Now children, now we will solve question number 2. As you can see, question number 2. Yes. Now again what will you do? You will write the number and then you will start subtracting the number. Okay. So again what will we do children? We will start writing the number. The number is 4, 3, 2, 5, 7 and 0. The number is 4,32,570. Okay, and you have to subtract which number? That is 87,391. So here 87,391. So children, now you have to subtract this number. So how will you subtract? Can you subtract? Now look here. अब वापस से when you look here children, see, you cannot subtract 1 from 0. Why? Because 0 is the smallest number. Then अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will borrow. तो borrow करेंगे हम 7 से. But 7, if you see, the number below 7 is 9. तो आप borrow नहीं कर पाएंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि 7 जो है छोटा है 9 से. तो हम 7 को leave करके we will jump to another number. This is number 5. So हम 5 से borrow करेंगे. Okay children? So now we will borrow from 5. So here I have written here 4, here 17, then again 16, and I have borrowed 1. Okay. So here 10 minus 1 will give you 9. Then you have to subtract 9 from 16. So what will you get? You will get 7. Yes children. Because 16 minus 9 will give you how much? It will give you 7. Then you have to subtract 3 from 4. It will give you 1 because 4 minus 3 is 1. Then again when you go to the next number, you see 2 is a smaller number and 7 is a greater number. What will you do? You will start borrowing. But if you see 3, but उसके जो नीचे number है वो है 8, that means 3 is a smaller number, you cannot borrow. So what will you do? You will shift to another number. The next number is 4. So again what will you do? You will start borrowing 13 and then again 12, then 12. So 12, the tens power, so 12 minus 7 will give you 5. 12 minus 8 will give you 4. and 3, there is no number, you will write it as it is. Okay, so this is your answer. The answer is 3,45,117. So I hope this is clear to you. We'll just have a quick recap. हमने क्या किया? हमने पूरा नंबर लिखा. Yes. Then we subtracted this number from this number. Okay. Now if you have to check, now suppose I want to check, तो आप क्या करेंगे? जो आंसर आया है उसको आप इससे ऐड कर देंगे. ओके, ये जो नंबर है इनसे ऐड कर देंगे. नाउ सपोज हियर आई एम राइटिंग 1, दिस इज द नंबर 3 जिससे आप सबट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी whether we get the question this answer or no. Okay, now 9 plus 1 will give you 10. Carried 1, so 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So I've written 7, I've carried 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. So again I've written here 5. Then nothing is being carried out, so we'll leave there. Then we have 5 plus 7 will give you 12. So I'm writing here 2. Again I've carried 1. So 1 plus 4 will give you 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. Again I've carried 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is the answer, 4,32,570. See, if you look here and this, see this and this, you got the same answer. This is what is checking. I will explain you this in a simpler terms. Okay, suppose we have a smaller number like this. 2 minus 1 will give you 3. No. Will it give you 3? No, it will not give you 3. It will give you 1. So 1 लिख लिया आपने, तो ये आपका आंसर हो गया. This is your answer. Now what will you do? जो आपको आंसर आया जिससे आपने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया उससे आप ऐड करेंगे तो आपको ये क्वेश्चन मिलेगा. ओके, अपर वाला. एंड इफ यू गेट दैट, दैट मीन्स इट इज करेक्ट. ओके, एंड इफ यू डू नॉट गेट 2, दैट मीन्स योर आंसर इज wrong. For an example, suppose I have written here 1. Now suppose children, I have not written here 1, but 1 की जगह मैंने क्या लिखा वहाँ पे? 3. Okay. Now suppose children, I have see, जैसे मैंने पहले लिखा था 2 minus 3 is 2 minus 1 is 3. Now I have written 3. Now if I go to check, जब मैं इसे चेक करने जाऊंगी तो मैं क्या करूंगी? ये जो आंसर है उसको मैं इससे ऐड करूंगी. So see, when I add this, I should get 2. But did I get 2? No, I got 4. That means my this answer, that is 2 minus 1, 3 is wrong. How did I come to know? Because मुझे आंसर ही नहीं है. And if I write the answer correct, I will get 2. Look here. 2 minus 1, 1. Then I will add this number to this number. 1 plus 1 is 2. It can be used for other numbers also. Suppose the number is 10 minus 2. Again 10 minus 2 will give you 8. Yes, now what will you do, children? You will just add this. So 8 plus 2 will give you 10. Is this clear, children? So similarly, if I write 3 digits, okay? Now look here, I am solving 3 digits for checking. Let the digit be 7, 8, 9. And I am subtracting it 1, 2 and 3. Okay? So this is my answer. So 9 minus 3 will give me 6. Okay? 8 minus 2 will give me 6. 7 minus 1 will also give me 6. Now what will I do, children? I will add this number to this number. Okay? इन दोनों नंबर को मैं ऐड कर दूंगी. If I get this number, then my answer is correct. So see, 6 plus 3 will give me 9, 6 plus 2 will give me 8, and 6 minus 3 will give me 9, 6 minus 2 will give me 8, 6 minus 1 will give me 7. So I got 7, 8, 9. Yes? Yes. So this is why checking is very important, so that you come to know that you are solving correctly. Okay, children? Now, see, this is the question number 2. This is how you will solve and write it in your notebook. Now, children, let us see question number 3. Now, children, how will you solve question number 3? Again, you will write the number. What is the number here? You have a 7-digit number. Okay, children? आपके पास 7-digit number आया है. So 5, the number is 5, 7, 0, 0 and 0. Okay, so if you read the number, this is 57 lakhs. Yes, this is 57 lakhs. Now what do you have to subtract from? You see the number is 2, 4, 5, 0, 8, 3, 1. If you read the number, this is 13 lakhs 80,542. So you have to subtract 13 lakhs 80,542 by 57 lakhs. Again, now see, how will you subtract, children? Now here you have to borrow, because आपको subtract करना है. Now these are all zeros. See, these are all zeros. Now what will you do, children? You will start borrowing. So how, from where you will borrow? You will borrow from 7. This becomes 6. This is 10. Then again 9. 10, again 9. Because you have to take 1 and borrow. This is 10. Am I clear, children? Is this clear? Yes. How did I write this? I have borrowed it and then I have started solving it. Okay, children? Now, 10 minus 2 will give you 8. Yes. Then 9 minus 4 will give you 5. Again 9 minus 5 will give you 4. Then 9 minus 0 is nothing but 9. Again 9 minus 8 will give you 1. 6 minus 3 will give you 3. And 5 minus 1 will give you 4. So this is your answer. Now if you want to check this answer, whether you have done it right or no, what will you do, children? You will add this number to this number. Now we will just add. I will just write it with another number so that it becomes very clear to you. Now the number is 2, 4, 5, 0. Then you have 8, 3, 1. Now let us see, can we get 57 lakhs or no? So how will we check? 8 plus 2 is 10. I have written 0 and I have carried 1. Okay, I am using another color. So this is 0 and I have carried 1. So 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. Again I have written 0 and I have carried 1. So 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. Again I have written 0 and I have carried 1. 1 plus 9 is nothing but 10. Again I have carried 1. So 2, 2 plus 8 is 10. Then again I have carried. Now 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So did you get 57 lakhs? Yes, we got 57 lakhs. That means our answer is correct. Okay, children. I hope this is clear to you. If you want, I will repeat it again. Okay. See, what did we do? The question was 5, 7, then you have 57 lakhs. And then you had to subtract 13 lakhs 80,542. So 13 lakhs 80,542. Then हमने क्या किया? We cannot borrow anything from 0 as it is 0 has no value. तो हमने 7 से borrow किया. Yes children, I have borrowed it from 7. I have done it 6. Then ये 10 हुआ. हमें आगे भी borrow करना है. Then 9. Again ये 10 हुआ. I have to borrow further also because I have to subtract 5, 4 and 2. So again 9. यहाँ पे 10. Again 9. Because borrow करते ही रहना है because we need to subtract 2 also. Again 9 and then 10 and then you will follow it the same way. Okay children. Now let us see the question number 4. Now can you see this is question number 4 children. Okay. So now we will again write question number 4. Now this is question number 4 children. Again what is the number? 85,70,312. So again we'll write 85 lakhs 70,312. Then we have 38 lakhs. Yes, 91,425. So now children, now can you subtract this? Can you subtract 2 from 5? No, because 2 is a smaller number and 5 is a greater number. So you will borrow. Can you borrow from 2? 1? No, because the number is greater and 1 is smaller. Then can you borrow from 3? No. Then you will jump to 0. Can you borrow from here? 0? No, you cannot borrow. Then can you borrow from 7? No. Why? Because 7 is a smaller number. It is smaller than 9. So what will you do? You will jump to another number. Now can you borrow from 5? No. Why? Because 5 is smaller than 8. Then you will jump to another number. This is number 8. Can you borrow here? Yes, you can borrow. So what will you do children? We will borrow from 8. Now we'll just cut 8 and then you'll write 7 because we've borrowed tens. Then this is 15. Again we need to borrow there. So this becomes 14, then 17 becomes 16, then the same process, 10 becomes 9 because we will keep on sharing. Okay, so this becomes 12, this becomes 10 and this becomes 12. Okay. So children, 12 minus 5 will give you 7 and this is 10. Okay, so 10 minus 2 will give you 8. 12 minus 4 will give you 8. Yes. Then children, 9. 9 minus 1. How much will you get when you subtract 1 from 9? You will again get 8. Yes. Then children, you have to subtract 9 from 16. How much will you get? You will get 7. Then again you have to subtract 8 from 14. You will get 6. And then when you subtract 3 from 7, you get 4. Now children, we will check our answer. How will we check? जो आंसर आया है जिससे आपने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है उससे आपको ऐड करना है. So again we will write the number here. Okay, so this is the number here. The number is 38 lakh 91,000. You have to add. Okay children, don't forget. आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करना. जब आप चेक करोगे तो आप ऐड करोगे. Okay, so see, 7 plus 5 will give you 12. I'm writing 2 and carry 1. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 will give you 11. So I have written 1 and I have carried 1. So here, now 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So I have written 3 and I have carried 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So again, the number in 1's place and the 10's place get carried. Now 9 plus 1 gives you 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So again 7 and you have to carry 1. Okay, so 8 plus 6 gives you 14. 14 plus 1 gives you 15. Again you carry 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is your answer. This is 85,70,312. This is your number. Okay. So did you get? See, आपको same आया number. That means your answer is correct. This is how you will check. Okay children. But आपको answer के साथ ही नहीं check करना. Okay. See, the teacher is doing it here, but you will not check here. Okay children. See, जब check करना होगा, suppose I am explaining you first short. When आपको check के लिए पूछा रहेगा, suppose I'll give you a simpler question. Suppose the question is 48 plus 12. Wait, this is subtraction, no? So here, okay, so 8 plus 2 is 10. Again we are adding. You should not add, you should subtract. So 8 minus 2 will give you 6. Then 4 minus 1 will give you 3. Okay, this is your answer. ये आपने आंसर सॉल्व कर लिया. Then children, you will go towards checking. तो आप चेक कैसे करोगे? This is your answer. फिर इसके बाद आप लिखेंगे चेकिंग. ओके, यू विल राइट यू आर चेकिंग. देन आपका क्वेश्चन क्या था बेटा? ये आपका क्वेश्चन था 48 minus 12 and it gave you 36. ओके, ये आपका क्वेश्चन था कि नहीं? तो जो आपका आंसर है जब चेकिंग में होगा देन यू विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग योर आंसर. योर आंसर इज 36. यस. देन जिससे आपने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया यू विल ऐड दैट नंबर. 6 plus 2 will give you 8 and 3 plus 1 will give you 4. उसी तरह से जब आप बड़े नंबर्स का for 6 और 7 digit you will write checking and then you will solve it. Okay, उसी के नीचे solve नहीं करेंगे आप. Okay children, so I hope this is clear to you. For an example, if I am solving question number 1, तो जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सॉल्व किया है एक्सरसाइज 2.3 का. यस और नो चिल्ड्रन? तो हमने पहले सॉल्व कर लिया, हमें आंसर आया. दिस वाज योर आंसर. सपोज वी आर चेकिंग, तो उसके नीचे ही हम नहीं लिखेंगे. योर आंसर वाज 28, दैट इज 2,85,106. दिस वाज योर आंसर. ये लिख लिया आपने. फिर जिससे आपने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया वो नंबर आप इसके नीचे लिखेंगे. सो द नंबर वाज 2,1,8,3,7,5. then you will add these numbers. Okay, so 6 plus 5 will give you 11. I've carried 1. 1 plus 7 will give you 8. 1 plus 3 will give you 4. 8 plus 5 is nothing but 13. So if carried again, then you have 10. You'll write 0 and then again you will carry. This is your answer. And this becomes your question. Actually, this is how you will check, children. Okay? I hope this is clear to you. We will stop here for today. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.